Can you guess what's in these two boxes? It's a RC ball. So let's have a look. So obviously, for an RC ball, you have to have a ball. So this ball is made out of cardstock, and I used a lot of packing tape to tape it all together. And then I added these little latches here, these little beads. I added them at the end. I put these foam pieces in here to hold the main unit. The axle of the main unit will go right in that bead there, and the slot right here, and the slot right here. So let's take a look at that part. The main unit that spins around inside the ball, it has an ESC that I built myself from a PIC microcontroller and some other parts such as the H-bridge from an old servo and a BEC made by a regulator. This motor that makes it spin inside the ball, it is actually just a servo with the guts taken out, leaving just the motor and the gears. And it just was convenient that the axle was able to slip all the way through. So the axle goes from here to there, pretty much, and allows it to spin. There is a servo right here for steering, if you're wondering about that. When it goes one way or the other, it'll off-center the center of gravity, causing the ball to lean and go around a turn. So let's hook it up and let's try it out. So it runs off of a 2-cell Nanotech battery, and it is 370 milliamp hour, 25 to 40 C. It's just a little bit heavy, but that's a good thing because it gives us more torque. So stick that in there, turn on the radio before we plug it up. I like to take the balance lead and slip it between the two wires of the power lead. That way it won't drag around or anything. Then I'll just plug it up real quick here. Now it does have a little jitter in the steering servo. If anybody knows how to fix that, please leave a comment. But I already tried, just so you know, I already tried to lubricate the servo's gears. And I already tried removing AC from the circuit. But nothing of that nature worked. But it got it closer to working. So, anyway, now let's close up the ball. Close up the ball. And lash it with these beads and these latches of such here. And other than the shaky, we're ready to go. It's got forward and backward. It's got 2 speeds. That's the fast speed. I'm trying to see if we can get to the low speed. It's a very narrow window for the low speed. I think I got it right now. I just can't see it. Oh, yeah, it is moving. Yeah. The slow speed is very slow. Let's let the camera in and give it a try while I record for a little bit. Let's show them what the controls are, by the way. So, up is forward, down is backward, left is left, right is right. I did have to reverse both channels though. But other than that, that's what the controls are.